Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian UNNie. Today's video is about 2022 YG Monthly Zoom 11 audition in YG Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Note, if you want to know about YG Entertainment Company and its always open audition in which you can apply anytime, then please watch these two videos. These videos links are in description box. Note point 2.0. This YG audition will be opened every month. The audition qualifications, category, required files and other things will be same. Only dates for the application and Zoom meeting audition and application form link will change. So check the pinned comment for new month's application date and time and for new application form link. Now let's see audition details. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country born in or between 2003 to 2011 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one category from song, rap, dance, guitar or visual talent, acting, etc. January month audition period from 10th January 11:59 am KST till 12th January 11:59 am KST. It means this audition will open only for 48 hours. This audition has already been started and its last date is 12th January and please apply before 11:59 am KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 12th January 8:29 am IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. For vocal, perform the most confident song around 1 minute 30 seconds without background music. For rap, perform the most confident rap around 1 minute 30 seconds without background music. For dance, perform the most confident dance around 1 minute with music. For etc option, looks, talent, acting, etc., perform your talents for around 1 minute. Note, you need to show your talent only in Zoom video call audition. In your first online round means while filling out your application form, you will just need a front face half body picture to attach. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in YG Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. First round. In first round, you need to submit a Google application form. From this first round, 100 applicants will be chosen randomly until 14th January. Those 100 applicants will receive a confirmation email in which audition schedule and Zoom meeting room link will be given. Second round. On 19th January, there will be a Zoom 11 video call audition in which you will perform your talent in front of the judges and you may also be asked some basic questions about yourself. You can communicate with judges in English, Korean, Japanese or Chinese language. In third round, there will be final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch only this one video to know how company will contact you for second round, how the confirmation email will look like and what will happen in your Zoom 11 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 11 audition. In this video's second part, I have talked about YG new boy group audition which is 90% similar to this one audition. This video link is in description box. How to apply. Open the audition application form link in description box, fill out the Google form, attach required picture and submit your form. Now let's see the application process. First, open this form through the link in description box. Scroll down, write your email address. Here choose your preferred language. Tap on next button. Scroll down. Read this privacy policy and choose Agree option. Tap on Next button. Now here, if you are under 14 according to Korean age, it means if you are born in or after 2007, then one of your guardian, means your parent, should fill out this form. Now tap here and choose your preferred answer. If you are 14 or over 14, then choose this option. Tap on Next. Scroll down. Write your full name. Attach your front face half body picture. Choose your gender. Choose your date of birth. Write your nationality. Write your current residing country. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Here write your country code and your 10-digit number. Choose your audition category and submit your form. Yes, you have successfully applied for this audition. All the best! Please remember that after submitting this form, you will not get any confirmation email like you have successfully submitted your form and all. So please don't hope for that type of email. You will only get a confirmation email with your audition link and time. Note point: this type of Zoom auditions are really a good opportunity to increase your chances, and last time in YG's new boy group audition, many non-Korean applicants got selected in first round, means online round. Many Indian boys got their audition link and got chance to show their talent. So don't be lazy, work hard and hope for something good. Results announcement. First round passers will be contacted individually by 14th January and second round, means Zoom meeting audition passers, will be contacted individually by 26th January. Today's comment winner is Magic Dance. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.